Hello everybody, my name is Kiddo and I'm back with part 3 of this walkthrough with Pokemon Let's Go Pikachu version. I said last time that I would just walk around and then I would come back when I was going to the next city, but actually I came to the tunnel, the Mount Moon tunnel entrance, and I thought that I would actually play with you going through this, also because that I actually got a lure in a bush when I was walking around, and I wanted to actually use this when I was going through the tunnel. And some of the Pokemon, I actually caught some new Pokemons around here. I have sent someone off, but I caught a Pharaoh and I caught a Mankey. And also when I was like right in here, there was a guy that would sell me a Magikarp for like 500, so I bought it. It was from this guy. So I bought a Magikarp. So now I also have a Magikarp. So that's a good thing, because now I have a grass Pokemon and I have a water Pokemon. Even though I would actually love to get Squirtle instead and have Squirtle, Charmander and Bulbasaur, but this is the start, so let's hope that when I'm walking through that I would find some special. I know that you are supposed to actually be able to get Charmander, Squirtle and Bulbasaur, so maybe like later when you get to the Water City, that's where you can get it. Oh, these guys. Oh, they're here. Oh yeah, he was sleeping just outside, like on the top of the tunnel. It's actually kind of cool that these guys are in this one too. Let's walk around. Let's see what is this. Oh. Oh, that's a huge dude. You Pokeball through the moon. I see. You there. Oh. Forget how to play this game. Give him. Ready? Go! Oh, but it was closed. He said that when it gets smaller, you would be able to get it. Well, got a huge Geodude. Let's just look around. Oh yeah. Oh. But that if you go like a long way from the person, that it wouldn't spot you, but they do. Oh, he has a butterfly. And a high butterfly. Maybe a little overpowered. Just a little. Good thing that you get Pokeballs from ones that you fight against. Damn it! I don't think I quite understand the bonuses. I know that when it's smaller, then you're supposed to you can get a bonus. I feel like I'm hitting it when it's smaller, but there's no bonus for me. I don't understand. Ooh, only one, but a Bellsprout. Just hit button. And we win it again. Yay! Oh damn. Still only one. Oh, but grammar. I've had a grammar before on my team, but gonna hit a miss. Bad. Not stand. Need the mana berry. This that makes them kill. Yeah. Go. Oh, nice. Just try Great Ball. And now he's not standing still again. God damn. Stand still. Go. Oh yeah. What? Again. Just stay in. Stay. Let's try one more time. No, okay. Then no, we're not gonna try one more time because he just ran off. Do you like that in the cave there's a rich possibility of getting money and Pokeballs? Oh, he has a Mankey! Let's headbutt him. Effective! Lovely! No, 90 now, yay! You. Oh yeah. Forgot that I wanted to pop the that was here. Whoa. Oh. Go. Stay in. Thank you. Oh, a paras! Yeah! A huge paras. Just make it easy to. Go! Excellent, bro. Yes! Please stay in, please. Yes! Now we have a paras! Actually, paras is one of my. It is in my top 10 of favorite Pokemon. I think it's adorable, but that's from the version of the in the Pokemon series. He's so adorable. Oh, thank you. I know you may be wondering why I stopped him from evolving, but that's because I am waiting to evolve Bulbasaur until he gets to level 23, because then he gets Razor Leaf. And if I evolve him now, he will get Razor Leaf when he gets in level 31 or something. So I'm waiting till I get Razor Leaf before I'm evolve him. Oh, is that a Clefairy? Yeah, it is a Clefairy! Oh, you're jumpy little one. Go! Okay. Ah! Please stay. No, you're not going to stay. Back. Let's give that one. Oh. Why? Please stay in. Please. Yes! Another new one to the list. A Clefairy! You two are just. Filling that thing that he wanted to get all the Pokemons. Thing with that one. Well. Pepper was very. Don't know if it's because of this. Actually, kind of easy now. Yay! Not following you. Did I had? Because there was another one. Just need. I want to see what the other place goes. Because there's. Ah! I don't think it's gonna stay. Or is it? No, it's not gonna stay. Maybe I should. Because. Wanna. Run out of Pokeballs down. Now I have a suit. Ooh. Pokemon Bandits. Oh, they've actually made something new. That was the new like animation for when it was the Team Rocket guys. Oh, he's faster than me. But I'm like 10 levels above him, so. Oh, you don't get Pokeballs from this. Oh. Should we try? Oh God!
Oh, that's a huge one.
A nugget? Maybe. You should just shake it. Up and down. No, you get the normal ones.
Should I use it?
Yeah, I think we should. Yeah. Yeah, that's what. Gotta be hard. Ready?
On.
Go. Go. Not sure that I'm gonna get him. Yes. I actually have a because.
Whoa, that XP.
Oh whoa! Like I'm not sure that sound of the game is. Okay, so I just actually found out now that there was no sound in the game. So when at this point I haven't recorded 2 other videos yet, but I know now there's no sound, and I'm sorry. So, but there's sound now, so you can hear it. I actually can't hear it. I have just popped this my headphones into some music, so I'm listening to something while I'm doing this. So let's just keep going. But yeah, like nearly 1,000, no, nearly 800 XP is what I got from catching that Onyx. That's insane, but yeah. So Pikachu is level 20 now, Bulbasaur is level 17, Mew is 16. No, 17, Mew is 17. Mankey grew all the way to level 12. Magikarp grew all the way to level 10, and Pidgeotto all the way to level 20. That's just insane. And now I know, yeah, I have to stop him again. Stop! Don't involve. Yeah. So we got an Onyx now. Oh. Sorry, excuse me, we got an Onyx now. Is there anything else here? Of course I'm gonna keep that on. Now we've seen Jesse and James. Oh yeah, I have to check you out again. Hey! Yeah, I can make it too. Yeah, there. I'm still learning. I'm not used to making playthrough. I'm very sorry. Oh, he has a sign. Oh. We're just going quick attack. Oh, poison. But I think I got some antidote. Gonna use it afterward. That's not uncool. You actually wanted to fight me. Could have easily been okay with not fighting the guy, but he wants to. Isn't it the end? Yeah. And let's just do this too. Maybe we should actually do it like that while we're down here, so Bulbasaur. Because Bulbasaur is good again. Type of Pokemon they have done. One, two. Yeah, I suppose. Oh, he's the first one who has 2 Pokemon. That's awesome. That was super effective. But it's... I don't know if you can call it unfair, but like... all of the Pokemons that I have caught has made like that. My Pokemons are really strong. Oh, now he's level 18, so I have to stop him again because we have to wait till he gets race lead 4. Oh, he can learn takedown. Now that's okay. And stop off yet. And there. Is to you can do this to be able to ensure that your Pokemons get the right attacks. I used to not really it was not something that I call it went into, but it's a good thing, one good thing to actually look into. Oh, that's Meowth. So have they not made him able to talk, or they just don't want to show us that he can talk yet? Oh Jesus, he jumped. Thank you. That was the most annoying Pokemon because they like nearly over 50% of the Pokemon that you would find in the caves would be these guys. Oh, I got great. Just hope it stays because it's just a normal Pokeball. Don't think I have enough berries, so just try and hope I'm lucky. Okay. I have enough Pokeballs to make this possible. That's okay. Yeah. Other two. Oh, I hate to bad. If you want verbal abuse, get a boyfriend. I don't know. There. If you want verbal abuse, get like a fiance who's always laughing at you when you do something not supposed to be good. Thank you, babe. Good to know I have your support. Yay, he stayed this time. At least one of my Pokemon are able to level up. This shitty amount of XP that I can get from. And there's like, yeah, you have to see this. There's like a new animation when you fight Team Rocket. Oh. Look. I think it's awesome. Oh, he has a Strauss. And then he goes like, fight! Whip that. Oh no, 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 no! Who can we take? Yeah. Which I have to. Do you know how Mew is going? Oh no, he's. Maybe it's not as easy as it used to. Why did you hit your... take it. Yeah. I don't have. Do I have any awakening? Do I have the awakening? Yeah! It's like it knew I was going to use some of it. No, 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 no. I don't want to talk with you. No. Why? I would think that Meowth would actually talk. Why is? I don't know why is the part that confused me. That Meowth is only saying small words, but I think maybe he's gonna be like a reveal that he can talk. But it's kind of a thing about Meowth. He was able to talk. Team Rocket. So it's just an annoying soup, but we can do this. Whip that thing. Yep. But I can always take life from. Let's take down. Oh, that was effective. Oh, yeah, okay. I forget that some of the attacks actually hurt themselves. Oh, now I remember this part, but oh, that's a good thing that my first Pokemon grass type of whip the guy. Whip it. Milay. Let's just tackle it early. You're always like, let's switch. Just try something. Let's actually try Pidgeotto, because that one is like has a lot of life. A lot of. Wing attack. Yes. Oh. Oh. It's actually not very effective. Maybe I should try some other Pokemon. I think I should try some other Pokemon. Afford. Rose. Maybe Mankey. Mankey is like a half rock type, isn't it? But it actually doesn't have attacks or. I'll go back to Bob. You can do it, Bulbasaur. No, it's not very effective because. Stupid. Oh no, not confusing again.
For the rescue!
Nope. Apparently so, you cannot get it. Do you really want to come in and help? You have to shake it up and down.
I was...
At least I'm getting health back, right? I am using that. But I'm confused myself. No, not really. You can't help me. No, I've just switched back because no, because Pikachu was not a good choice, and this one is a no. I don't have a rock type, but grass type is okay too.
What about me?
He actually doesn't have any attacks. Yeah, he has no attacks. What? Yeah, of course he did. He wanna share with me. So which one do I actually want? That I don't know. Like, do I want? Do I want the Helix? Or do I want the Kabuto? No, you can't both be here. Dome. Fucking hell, couldn't you just leave me alone, Clefairy? I have one out. Why is he doing that? Now you're gonna jump, right? Oh yeah. Nice. Oh, ooh, yeah. Get everything and just get karate chop. Got to. I'll take this one.